next, let's take a look at the workouts and strength training program. So you'll see your workouts in blue, in these blue dots here. Okay, so let's take a look at what that looks like just a little bit. So I open it up and I see that today I've got front squats. I have warm-up guidelines here. If I wanted to start this workout, I'd press start now. You'll see that unfolds the workout and I'm able to input my reps and my weight. A few cool features here. If I see that there's a rest period for 90 seconds and I press the start button, that will automatically start a resting timer here at the top. You'll also see that as you start a workout, it also starts the workout on a wearable device. So for example, my Apple Watch says that I'm working out right now at 86 beats per minute. If I want to leave comments about the workout, I can put them here at the top right. And I can also make changes and edits to the workouts if I've already saved and finished the workout. Another cool feature is I can go and I can actually adjust the workout on my own. Say I've hurt my shoulder or something like that and I don't want to do front squats and get in the front rack position, I can go ahead and substitute the exercise. I would substitute it for maybe a sumo squat or something like that. So when I'm done, I press save, and here is how I rate the difficulty of the workout. It's also a spot for you to put comments. I cannot overstate how important it is for you to rate the workouts and to leave me comments. You don't have to leave me comments if you don't have anything to say, but you do need to rate the workout so that I can know how challenging it is. I'm trying to design a personalized program for you, and knowing how challenging these workouts for you is essential. Another awesome feature in the app is an entire workout library that I've developed for you. So you press this kettlebell button here in the dashboard, at the bottom of the screen. Not only will you see every single workout that's in your own program, but if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot more programs that may not be specific to what I've prescribed for you, but they're fun things to do. I have bodybuilding programs, Olympic weightlifting, powerlifting, strength training, or let's say you haven't hit your abs in a while in a workout, I've got these ab finishers. Or let's say you haven't hit your abs in a while and you really want to, we've got all these finishers at the bottom that relate to different muscle groups on the body. There's at-home and traveling workouts, so if you're traveling or on vacation and you don't have any equipment available to you, there are also bodyweight workouts that you can do. This is an excellent resource and an amazing feature.